it's Mrs. Usman. I'm sending home a little homework for you to do. When you're finished, send it back to me. This is about your favorite things. There's lots of circles, so put the things that you like. Do you like going to the park? Do you like coloring? Fill it in and send it back to me. This is also a project about your family. Who's in your family? Fill it out, and if you have a dog or cat or fish, put it on here too. When you're finished, send it back to me. Then you have a very fun project to do. This is an apple. What's your favorite color apple? You're going to go over to your box. You can use watercolors. You can use crayons, markers, anything you choose. To use watercolors, you need to have a cup of water. You need to dip your brush into the water, then dip it in the watercolor, and then paint your apple. Have fun with it. See you later. Bye.